Hi, this is Val with MemoirHelper.com. For those of you using the Write Your Life Stories in 30 Days workbook in conjunction with MemoirWorkbook.com, here's how you do the initial setup. Once you're logged into MemoirWorkbook.com, you go to the Topics and Questions block, and inside the Topics and Questions you'll see all of these pre-populated topics. So we want to just hide each one of those topics, and so you'll have to go through and you'll click on the gold box over here with an X in it for each topic, and then this pop-up comes up that says Memoir Workbook says, are you sure you want to hide this topic? You can click OK. But the way I like to do that is keep my hand on the enter key or the return key on your keyboard, and so when I click the gold box and the pop-up comes up, I just hit the enter key very quickly, and so I can just go through. I don't really have to move my mouse, and I can just click those, and as soon as the pop-up comes up, I hit the enter key on my keyboard, and that clears that one. Doesn't matter what order you clear these in, so I'm just going to keep that mouse over there by the gold boxes and keep my hand on the enter key. So you go through each one of these and remove the topics. Won't take you too long. We're almost done. Alright, so all of those topics are gone, and so now you'll have the opportunity to add new topics, and we'll discuss that in another video.